Well, we have a funnel, and it's in an advertising site that it's mainly an advertising site to get traffic to your site, but it also has that feature where you can, make pages and share it with people. And so I wanted to make some team pages that listed our team benefits for everybody to be able to use. A lot of people that when I first started was already familiar with the program anyway. So I set that up, and I offer to help people with it if they want me to log into their account and go ahead and set up their pages for them if they don't know how yet, or if they just don't have the time. And Angela was one of the people that I helped do that, and she was very impressed. And so I guess you could say we're kind of tag team partners in that she writes the broadcast emails. She has like really good emails and has subject lines, and then I help her with her pages. And then we both just send traffic and build our lists, and she obviously has built up a big list by now, and mine's getting up there. I have about 700 people on my list right now, and that's basically what we do. And the one thing about Angela too is that she's in the group every single day, helping to welcome everybody. And since she is kind of a little bit of a well-known name, some people will come in the group and just say, "Oh, Angela's here," and they'll be like, "Well, maybe this is something really good because Angela's here." And we have some other people like Randall Wiley. He's kind of well known because his specialty is the faithless traffic sites. That's what he basically sells as his paid affiliate. So he's a recognizable name for people that use those. So that's why he's getting a lot of people and visitors in the group, and probably our second biggest next to Angela as far as bringing in number of referrals. And so yeah, we just get our name out there as a well-known marketer, trusted marketer. That's why the Facebook group helps too. People can come in and meet us, see we're real people. And so yeah, we just place ads, get traffic to our pages, send the broadcast emails, invite people to the group, then we're active in the group.
Great. And how do you think this onesie and twosie thing that I talked a lot about, how do you think that is helping?
Well, as you likely know, I put one of your prospecting videos on our landing or sales page, and I think that's working a lot better. And somebody a while back had made a video that I used, but they left, and yours is just more professional. So I really don't know how to do technical stuff like that, but my sponsor knew how to put it on the page, and so we put it on the page, and when I set it up for people, they can have the same page too, without knowing anything technical. They don't have to know how to do that either. It's already set up, so they basically just get a share code, and it automatically replicates for them.
That's excellent.
So yeah, we love that, and I've shared it in broadcast emails too. So I say, hey, watch this short video, reply back, let me know what you think, and I've had some reply back. So.
Where is the safest place to store your wealth? And the answer to that is, it's not in money, because money can inflate, for example, and it can be stolen. There's all sorts of ways you can lose it. The safest place to store your wealth is in your reputation. And the most effective way of developing your reputation is to be of the most service you can possibly be to other people.
Join our $30 per month worldwide membership with benefits for only $30 per month. This company has been doing business worldwide for 3 years. The company website of the person who invited you has the details about membership and digital product benefits and coming discounts. It takes an income of over $100,000 a year to qualify to buy a new home. We may be able to help people who want to get those earnings to buy a home or other needs. This video is about how we are helping people. Very knowledgeable business people over the years have said you need to have residual income to be secure. You can get this by having $1 million in savings and earning 5% annual return. This gives you $50,000 per year to live on. Or you can have a residual income business. We offer a unique opportunity that can develop into over $100,000 per year, starting with a membership that costs only $30 per month. Some people want the earnings from our team building, but don't want to actively refer our membership. Others do want to refer many, and this can fill the pay structure of the ones who just want to maintain their membership. Some want to refer many because they receive a $25 fast start bonus for each subscription they refer and faster buildup of their residual income. People who don't want to sponsor but do want income are patient for a few months. This gives the sponsoring members time to begin to fill positions in their 3x7 pay plan structure. You are placed at the top of a 3x7 matrix structure in your sponsor's structure. You earn from people in your structure placed by your upline and working people under you. You can earn over $9,000 per month as your matrix fills. You earn this even if you don't sponsor anyone but just maintain your membership. You are paid $3 per month to $7 per month for all the members who come into your structure. Your structure is filled by 2 types of people: those who don't want to sponsor and just use the membership if they like, and members who want faster earnings from our $25 fast start earnings for each sponsorship. In the process, sponsoring members also find other sponsoring members. This is like finding a diamond under a rock. This is a symbiotic relationship between those who don't sponsor and those who do. If everyone found their 3 members in a month, the 3x7 matrix would fill in 7 months and be worth over $9,000 per month. There you go. Get your questions answered and get into our unique team build structure as soon as possible. Thanks for listening.